Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Bounty Killer, the ground Godzilla, the poor people governor. Also, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, world boss. Also, we want to talk about the unruly boss, PopCaan. Also, we want to talk about Mr. Vegas. People, Bounty Killer disrespect Mr. Vegas and him vlogger Rick Storm in the wickedest way. Bounty Killer style Mr. Vegas as Gagas. Bounty Killer also style Rick Storm as Gagas TV. Seeing Bounty Killer making people know say Rick Storm channel a straight Gagas channel, a Gagas him support, and everything when Mr. Vegas have to do or say a hit Rick Storm always a say. See, so Bounty Killer a style the two of them in the wickedest way. After Mr. Vegas out here a defend Vybz Kartel and a disrespect Bounty Killer. Mr. Vegas a say Bounty Killer a hypocrite and how Bounty Killer a try fight down Vybz Kartel and how Bounty Killer low-key a style Vybz Kartel. But the truth of the matter is, viewers and subscribers, Bounty Killer out here a disrespect the Gaza fans them. Because the Gaza fans them a style Bounty Killer in the wickedest way. Because Bounty Killer support Masicka in the war with Tamili. Bounty Killer a say a Masicka him artist and Masicka him a support. Bounty Killer said Tamili is not his artist. And everybody knows a Bounty Killer and Tamili never good in the past. But them reconcile. But Tamili is a man in the clash him depend him demon business. You know say Tamili him say uncle demon, nephew demon, straight demon. And you know say Bounty Killer no support that. And that's why the two of them kick off back in the day. So Bounty Killer support Masicka. Plus Bounty Killer say enough of people in a Gaza in a rate. Because enough of them are fish. And enough of them shaky. So the Gaza fans them out here disrespect Bounty Killer. Even Gaza uncle, who is Vybz Kartel personal vlogger. Gaza uncle with Vybz Kartel go on him channel, give him couple interview, always a link up with him. Gaza uncle will link directly to the Gaza camp, tell Bounty Killer about his mother, tell Bounty Killer figure chuck through his mother. The Gaza fans them ungrateful. Them no rate Bounty Killer for what Bounty Killer do for Vybz Kartel and how Bounty Killer help Vybz Kartel, support Vybz Kartel and boss Vybz Kartel. The fans them out here are disrespect Bounty Killer Mama Ivy. And you know once you disrespect Miss Ivy, you know how Bounty Killer feel about that. So the Gaza fans them are style Bounty Killer, disrespect Bounty Killer in the wickedest way. We no hear Vybz Kartel say nothing. We no see where Vybz Kartel cut off him blogger or make him blogger know say you can't this Bounty Killer because Bounty Killer a legend. A Bounty Killer help Vybz Kartel. Bounty Killer the reason Vybz Kartel is who he is. Vybz Kartel himself said that. So a Bounty Killer boss him no know about a next world or a next planet or what. But if it wasn't for Bounty Killer, him Vybz Kartel wouldn't be the person he is today. The reason why I'm rich is because of Bounty Killer. Vybz Kartel don't say that. So at the end of the day, if you see the Gaza camp and the Gaza sheep them and the Gaza fan base a style Bounty Killer, that's why Bounty Killer out here a defend himself and a style them back. So Vegas now running who a look Vybz Kartel fan base and a look a fan base for himself. We see where Vegas running pan the Vendetta fan base. The Vendetta fan base respect Alkaline. The Vendetta fan base now run with Vegas. Them now support Vegas. So Vegas Bex are in feelings and how about the Vendetta fan base. Now Mr. Vegas run over the one side, the crocodile with Masicka. Masicka fan base now support him. Masicka fan base now use him. Now Mr. Vegas gone over the Gaza. And man, what we hear say a whole bunch of things about Vybz Kartel and how Vybz Kartel this, that, and a whole crocus bag of thing. Seeing we hear through the grapevine where Vegas songwriter when named Pepper Seed allegedly I say Vegas back in the days I say Vybz Kartel fi dead a prison. Vegas never want Vybz Kartel fi come a road. And when Vybz Kartel they behind bars, Vegas say crazy thing about the DJ. But now Vegas a look a fan base and need the support. Yes, him have fans or him have support, but him not have the fan base there. And you know how dancehall set up. You need a fan base like a Alliance fan base, a Gully fan base, a Gaza fan base, and a Vendetta fan base. Masicka try building one side fan base, but in a dancehall fan base is very important. Enough people in a dancehall wish Vybz Kartel did still that prison. Enough of them no rate Kartel. At the end of the day, enough of them say, free world boss or big up Gaza, Kartel are the king of the dancehall, Kartel are the goat. Because enough of them want the fan base. But Vybz Kartel now use them and the Gaza fans them now use Vegas as well. So Vegas out here try defend Vybz Kartel to get him fan base, but them now use him. And at the end of the day, Mr. Vegas really no like bounty killer same way. So Mr. Vegas as a bounty killer, a hypocrite. But viewers and subscribers, this is what Mr. Vegas has said. Mr. Vegas has said Vybz Kartel got prison and him beat him case in Comer Road. We all know say him beat the case for technicality and because the Jamaican government never want go back a court, them never want waste no money. So him win the case for technicality. At the end of the day, Mr. Vegas has said what Vybz Kartel doing at the past and in criminal history and all of that, Vybz Kartel turn a new leaf. Vybz Kartel is a new man. So Mr. Vegas has said the people they must move on and leave Vybz Kartel always and all days. Leave the past alone. The man changing life and they on a new path. But at the same time, Mr. Vegas I bring up bounty killer pass and I say bounty killer is a pedo and I say bounty killer touch a young girl back in ideas get her pregnant and the girl underage and the girl this and the girl that. So tell me viewers and subscribers when you support certain things. But at the end of the day, bounty killer and him baby mother good. She never report him and plus him and him son good same way or him daughter and kids them good. Seeing so at the end of the day, we not support certain things, but the woman never file for no foul play or say him a bounty killer and no problem. But when me I say, yes, so this is not defending bounty killer, is he right or wrong? When me I say, if you can leave Vybz Kartel pass and the people must forgive Vybz Kartel and move on and Vybz Kartel turn a new page and Vybz Kartel is a big man now and him understand life. Why you can't leave bounty killer pass? Why you can't say bounty killer turn a new page? Why you can't say bounty killer is a new person? Why you can't say bounty killer is a man now? Where killer happen with bounty killer and the young lady? Him a 22-year-old. Bounty killer in 50s now. So that happened over 30 odd years ago. Why you can't forgive him? Why you can't move on? The same knife will stick sheep, a hit stick the goat. So if the people they must forgive Vybz Kartel for whole and crime what happened to Lizard allegedly plus other people and how Vybz Kartel did in a badness, why you can't forgive bounty killer for what he do and move on, but you out here expose the man, try send the man go prison, try sink the man career, try damage him. So Mr. Vegas, you a hypocrite, yes so. If bounty killer a hypocrite, you a hypocrite too. Plus Jump Out TV production, me nah go say me right 100 times. Me nah say me a no hypocrite. Me nah say me perfect. Me nah say me no do friggery. But me try to do the best as I can do at all time, me not say me no slip up here or there. Nobody no perfect. But you cannot call people hypocrite, and you are hypocrite too. Seeing and when certain things out there we are exposed, Mr. Vegas, Rick Storm no pussy. Rick Storm no one have nothing to do with the video them we are exposed, Mr. Vegas. So that's why Bounty Killer say Rick Storm a Vegas TV and Mr. Vegas channel. That seeing people, so Mr. Vegas and Bounty Killer out here still a go at it. Them beef where them have turn curry goat and white rice, it will never end. So a that a go on. So Bounty Killer chilling in a Florida and live some life, same way viewers and subscribers, and I enjoy himself. He make a post, PopCaan like the post. So a person at the comment section I say, me general, who I go unfollow PopCaan now? So Bounty Killer make it people them know say PopCaan unruly and then cannot control PopCaan. Seeing cause Masicka and Bounty Killer good and Bounty Killer support Masicka, and because Masicka style Vybz Kartel, Spice, Russian, Sean Storm, a whole bunch of people will say Gaza unfollow Masicka. So Bounty Killer say more watch and see if them a go unfollow PopCaan, cause PopCaan am own a man. And the streets I say PopCaan and Vybz Kartel no 100, they're not 100%. So enough of the unity where you see a go on in a dance hall is fake, and enough of hit them just a do it just for the views, or them just a do it for the clout, or them just a do it for the fans them feel to say them good. But certain system in a dance hall, enough of the artists them no good. And how Vybz Kartel deal with PopCaan, how Vybz Kartel deal with Da Vinci, how Vybz Kartel deal with Black Rhino, how him deal with the women them and the former member of the Gaza camp. Enough of the Gaza people them still I go pray and them still I go watch him with one eye open. Even Tommy Lee still I go watch him same way. Cause you know it's a Vybz Kartel that even though them saying turn and new page are still the same old book. Him can go forward or probably him can flip a switch and go backward at any moment. Vybz Kartel will always be in Vybz Kartel. Plus Vybz Kartel know how to behave. Vybz Kartel know how to put on a facade. He come from prison, decide say nah do no gun song. At the same time, Vybz Kartel I say Jesus, God is the greatest, and insisted the fans them a run with it, so him a run with it. Same way. Also, a Gaza vlogger where they on TikTok when you one Kevin, one fish Kevin, one shaky Kevin. A man a make Bounty Killer know say one Kevin a style him, one Kevin a watch him, one Kevin a watch everything where Bounty Killer posts on Instagram. Imagine Bounty Killer make a video the side of the pool and live him life and enjoy himself. Bounty Killer see a big iguana lizard. Cause you know what them iguana lizard they enough in a Florida and the tropics, them they all over the place. And Bounty Killer see a lizard, a iguana lizard, and make a video and I make it people them know say at the iguana lizard place. Yes, so the iguana lizard live and him at the done. Some people take it subliminal. Say the man a try shade, Vybz Kartel, the man a try style, Vybz Kartel. So Bounty Killer can't make a post on him Instagram. The man a live some life. The man a tourist. All him life him been cross, angry, miserable. Now the man a enjoy him life. Now the man a try have some fun. And the Gaza fans them find themselves in an inbox. One Kevin out here a disrespect Bounty Killer. And if Vybz Kartel come out and say, me tell you something, no matter what you see me and Bounty Killer have, stay out of it. A father and son relationship, a love-hate relationship. You know sometimes you have some father, sometimes them and them kids not get along, but at the end of the day, Them love them kids. At the end of the day, them rate them kids. But sometimes them not get along. You have no family member where them cuss, them fight, them war, them live like a pussy and dog. But no matter where them have, don't get involved. And if you get involved and attack one, them are going to put everything to the side and defend them one another. Plus, after that, then go back, go vex. That's why you have to stay out of family affair. So no matter where Bounty Killer and Vybz Kartel have, remember, say Vybz Kartel learn it from Bounty Killer. Not for Vybz Kartel ways in learn it from Bounty Killer same way. So the two of them understand each other. Plus the two of them are alpha male. Plus the two of them is a leader. So them are go bump head yaso and deso. But at the end of the day, ono no see no alliance fans are send Vybz Kartel up and a mother. None of Bounty Killer fan base will ever tell Vybz Kartel about his mother. Bounty Killer fan base will always respect and rate Vybz Kartel. But Vybz Kartel fan base don't respect and rate Bounty Killer all the time. Them always are disrespect him, especially the Gaza sheep them. That's why Bounty Killer said them a sheep nation. That's why Sir P said them a sheep nation. Everybody see say them a sheep. Vybz Kartel himself say people are like sheep and a him are them leader. So anything him tell them fi do, them a go do. But Vybz Kartel supposed to come out and say, Gaza nation, me no want to see none of no out here disrespect Bounty Killer. Have respect for Bounty Killer. Anybody with Bounty Killer boss in a music, Bounty Killer fan base, the Alliance fan base will always rate Kartel, always rate Movado, Hydonia, Busy Signal, Elephant Man, Bling Dog, Wayne Marshall, Baby Sham, Footer Hype, anybody with Bounty Killer boss in fan base always are gonna have a level of respect. See, because them know say Bounty Killer help them people, plus them people always are gonna come back and say, yo, a Bounty Killer do this. No matter what Footer Hype say about Bounty Killer, Footer Hype always has certain respect for Bounty Killer. And Footer Hype can tell you the good and bad. Footer Hype can make you know, say, if I never Bounty Killer, you wanna go yes, you wanna do this, you wanna do that, you wanna have certain things back then or even now. Bounty Killer help him to build a platform and build himself. Yes, him talented, but Bounty Killer give the whole of them an opportunity and turn them in a millionaire. Plus make them live them best life. So at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel is supposed to come out as a man and tell him fan base, say, Bill, humble on yourself, because Gaza fans only listen to Vybz Kartel. Gaza fans only rate Vybz Kartel. Gaza fans no rate Little Addy. Gaza fans no rate Vybz Kartel other son, Little Addy and Little Vybz. Vybz Kartel fan base only rate Kartel. Them only rate Vybz Kartel. If Gaza fan base did care about anybody else, Little Vybz would have bust already. Little Addy would have bust already. The man them party should have be bigger than Mecca. Remember, say Little Vybz keep a party and a Mecca nightclub. Seeing, say if them they really care about Vybz Kartel kids, them usually would have large and they on a different level. Seeing? So you notice say whole of them support is with Vybz Kartel. Once you and Vybz Kartel have problem, no support. See, Masicka just drop a EP and we are wait to see the first week sale. The first week sale, I gotta tell you, if the Gaza fans them support Masicka, if them are run with Masicka, remember say Masicka style Vybz Kartel, this Vybz Kartel, and we know the Gaza fan base are gonna take with them support when Alkaline and Vybz Kartel are go at it. The same Gaza fan base push Masicka, support Masicka in everything where Masicka do. Masicka did the biggest thing because of the Gaza fan base. We know when say one side. We know when say genocide. We know when say swamp. But we know when fan base small. The two biggest fan base in a dancehall are Gaza and Vendetta. And we know Vendetta now support Masicka. And we know Gaza now go support Masicka. So we are going to see the success where Masicka have now after him disrespect and style Vybz Kartel. We are going to see the success. So yes, people, so Bounty Killer living best life, Bounty Killer style Mr. Vegas, PopCaan, who is Bounty Killer grandson, I like Bounty Killer video and I show Bounty Killer some support. Bounty Killer style and this Mr. Vegas, Bounty Killer even style Mr. Vegas, vlogger, Rick Stamp, Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe, I'm out.